In this video, I want to show you the process it takes to make high-quality content to go viral. I'm a 32-year-old professional video editor with more than 10 years experience under my belt. Before we get into the juicy info, I want to tell you a little tip that will save you a ton of time and headache. When it comes to editing a video, it is so important to break your video down into sections. By doing this, it will be a lot easier to focus on each part of the video instead of trying to tackle the whole video in one. I like to use apps such as Notion. Notion is amazing for scheduling out your content and will help you with your step-by-step process. Now that's out of the way, let's dive into each section on making a viral video. Section 1 is choosing a video topic. Most people get stuck on this part. It's not easy choosing a video topic. One of the best ways is to see what's doing well on the homepage, or choose a channel in your niche and see what type of videos they're posting. Go to their videos section, change the setting to popular, and see if you can recreate any of them and make them 10 times better. Most of the time videos go viral is because the topic is usually trending around that time, or it's become a very popular topic that YouTube favors. And lastly, I would check out some news media sites such as TMZ as they are up to date with the latest gossip, or you could use Google Trends to see what's trending in your country or globally. Next is creating your video script. One of the easiest ways to create a video script is using ChatGPT. The best way to use it is start out by asking it to come up with a start of a story or script, and then keep asking it to add more and more. You can be as specific as you like. Another way to get a dope script is to actually rip it from an already popular video, but you must paraphrase it so it's not copyrighted, as that is just stealing and may be flagged by YouTube. First, find a YouTube video and copy the URL, then go to youtubetranscript.com and then take a paragraph and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to paraphrase it. This can take a little while to do, but is a great way to skip the queue of coming up with ideas from scratch. Next up is the voiceover. This one is a no-brainer. You can either go to fiverr.com and pay someone to do a voiceover for you, or simply use 11 Labs, which is a realistic AI speech software. In my opinion, I would just use 11 Labs. They give you 10,000 words for free, or you can pay $22 a month to get up to 100,000 words, which is amazing. Next up is my favorite, video editing. Now, I know a lot of you may not have very good video editing skills, so you can either hire a video editor from Fiverr or Upwork, or learn yourself by watching tutorial videos. If you would like to learn how to make dope videos like this, or videos like this, or videos like this, or this, then make sure to comment below the words "teach me," as I'm releasing a video course very soon. And don't worry, it is very affordable and won't cost you a bomb like most courses out there. Anyways, back to the video. To get clips for your YouTube video, you can either take some clips from other YouTube videos, but make sure to only use 2 seconds as you will be flagged by YouTube. Stock footage is a must. These are great to fill up space. The best stock footage sites are Storyblocks, Pexels, Pixabay, and ArtGrid. And last but not least, music and sound effects. Music and sound effects are very important when it comes to making videos because they set the tone. The best websites to get non-copyrighted music and sound effects are Artlist or Upbeat. They have thousands of different music to choose from. You should always change up the music for every chapter or every minute of your video to keep it engaging. So that was a brief explanation on how to make engaging viral videos. I will be posting videos every week teaching you guys how to become a pro video editor, showing you tips and tricks. I will also be making dope templates and plugins for you to use to help speed up your video editing. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on how to become a pro video editor.